Hey guys, today is February 21st, 2026. Since it was like almost 50 degrees today, it was in the upper 40s. I think it was like 47 or 48. Obviously, a lot of the snow has melted. You can see like there's a whole lot of water on the ground where it melted. One thing that happened is I injured myself yesterday. My left pinky, I think I sprained it. At first I thought, like today I thought I had a fracture, but thankfully I don't think I have a fracture. I think it's just a sprain. But obviously it still hurts a little bit, so, yeah, as you can see there's a lot of, snow that melted here. I am using, easy mode right now on the camera, I think because it automatically enables image stabilization. And I'm doing that because I don't want the video to be all shaky. And since I can't access the menu because the menu button doesn't work, the ribbon cable might be broken. I don't know for sure. But yeah, there's a lot of melted snow. There's still some snow left. There's a lot of water on the ground where the snow melted. And I know it may be sad to see the snow go, but I have great news. Tomorrow night we are talking about a blizzard. We are talking about a historical blizzard tomorrow night, and this could bring at least 8 to 12 inches of snow here, maybe even higher, maybe like 14 to 18 inches, but it's definitely going to be a lot of snow. Is this ice here? I don't have shoes on. Yeah, there's still some ice, but it's very soft. Yeah, we are talking about a historic blizzard, and this could even bring some thunder snow, and that would be great because I've never seen thunder snow before, and this could be my first time seeing it. So I really hope we do get thunder snow. We are currently under a winter storm warning. A lot of forecasts say blizzard conditions, and the HRRR model is kind of showing that for this area. But the only blizzard warnings right now, the closest blizzard warning is in New Jersey. I think I think east of Mercer County, which is right next to Bucks County where I live. And there was a whole lot of snow here, and now it's like all melted. And same thing with the ground, there's only a little bit of snow left. So for those who are sad to see the snow, just don't be sad at all, because, well, unfortunately this time the snow is probably not gonna stick, because I think it is supposed to get warmer, like potentially in the 50s again, so the snow isn't gonna last several weeks like it did. Yeah. So, oh, I also tried a cleaning tape in this camcorder, and it didn't fix the issue, like where I have to repeatedly power it on until the head reads the tape right. And I guess it's a matter of luck whether or not it works. And I think the reason why is because when I power it on, the guide rollers or the pinch roller, or any moving parts have to be in the right position. And when I turn it on, they get a tiny bit out of position, because I think like the certain parts of the tape mechanism, whenever you turn it on, they move into position. They engage with the tape, and when you turn it off, they disengage. And I think they're not, when I turn it on, they don't always engage with the tape properly. Sorry about that. What was I saying? Oh, I was saying, like, when I turn the camera on, the, like, parts of the mechanism, they engage, and when I turn it off, they disengage with the tape. And I think the thing is, they're not engaging with the tape properly. Maybe that's due to, like, stuff like debris or oxidation and stuff, or like, I don't know. So I can try cleaning it with like rubbing alcohol or something. And if that doesn't work, then I'm just gonna have to be stuck with this issue. Now the thing is, like, when there is thunder snow tomorrow night, if there is thunder snow, it might be overnight, so I might be in bed. And yeah, my school will be closed on Monday, but I still have virtual school, which I have an online class in school will be closed. Unless there's a power outage. There might be a power outage. Yeah, because I think we're talking about like occasional gusts 40 to 50 miles an hour. So it will be like a blizzard. I'm pretty excited about this. So yes, we could see power outages and thunder snow. So maybe I won't have to get up for school on Monday. I have a test on Tuesday, so unless the test gets pushed back, this is gonna cause an inconvenience. But I'm hoping something good happens. The sky. Some clouds over there. Thing is, I don't think this camera uses optical image stabilization. I don't know. It might use optical, it might use digital. In the past, I would always record this. I would always record with this camera in the 4x3 standard. But for modern displays, it looks better in 16:9. And I think also, like, when I play the footage from this camera back on my computer, it, like on my old computer, when I digitize it with Firewire, it looks much better like on the old computer than it does when it on YouTube. It looks, even with Firewire, it still looks better on the computer than when I upload it to YouTube. I think because when I upload the video at its native resolution, YouTube compresses it. See those birds there? Oh, it was too late. I think when I upload the video at its native resolution, YouTube compresses it. So I think this time I'll try uploading it at a higher resolution, maybe like 720p or something. So, because its native resolution is 720 by 480i, and I think YouTube compresses the video when I upload it at that resolution. So I think I'll try 1280 by 720p and see if it looks better. Yeah, I guess that's gonna be it for this video. This video was kinda long. It's been over 10 minutes. And I am a bit cold out here. It's not as cold as it's been, but I still have stuff to do inside. So in that case, I'll see you later. Hopefully my finger gets better. So please wish me good health, and I'll see you later.